this expired? Bruh. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's KristiniB here. So I am going to be doing a twist out, but I'm also going to be doing a quick little Q&A here and there. I just looked up some questions online, some Q&A questions, and I just pulled up whatever came up. So I just want you guys to get to know me a little better. And I want you guys to get to know me better while I am doing my hair. I don't know what type of hair texture I have. If you know, please list it below. I'd love to know and find out. I've looked it up plenty of times and I can never ever be able to tell what's my hair type. So I'm gonna get started. This is freshly washed hair. It's not like super soaking wet right now, but I'm just gonna take it out and get started. And some of the products that I'm gonna be using today, I'm gonna be using my Mielle Pomegranate&Honey leave-in conditioner. It looks like this. And then I'm going to be going in with some styling gel. I'll be using the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel, which looks like this. And I'll have everything listed below in the description box. And then I kind of want to try some colors, so I am using the little hair coloring gels. And I'm going to be going in with this brand, which I cannot pronounce. So, and again, I'm going to list it below. First, I'm going to be sectioning my hair with this wide tooth comb because I like to work in sections. To me, it just makes everything go by faster. I'm not going to be parting my parts neat because I'm going to be taking this out, so that's pointless. And I always start with the back. And sorry if you guys hear noise. I do live in downtown Long Beach, so it's very, very loud. I have a woman who wakes me up every morning almost at 3 a.m. screaming and yelling like she's possessed. And yeah, so you might hear buses, you might hear her because she's down there laying on the sidewalk in 75-degree weather under a blanket. In case anybody wanted to know that, which means that I might be getting woken up again tonight at 3 a.m. Yeah, that's what I like, you know? Didn't sign up for this when I moved down here, but it's okay. My view makes up for it. I live right by the beach, right by Ocean Boulevard, so I can literally see the beach from my window that I'm looking out of right now, which makes for a great view. You know, we love a good view, honey. So yeah, you see it's not like super neat. I don't really care how neat it is because we're gonna be twisting this up. Y'all, my hair, woo, it's thick, honey. She's thick. She's thick. Like, if you can't tell, oh my gosh. It's so hard to manage. Like, half the time, I'll be wanting to cut my hair off because I don't want to deal with it. Like, it's a job. I feel like I look so cute right now, this lighting. And y'all, this is natural lighting. So that just goes to show how good my view is. Like, my window is huge. Okay, first, leave-in conditioner. Let's go ahead and work that through. For the gel, I'm just gonna apply that. And y'all, I think that I'm supposed to be doing a Q&A. What the fuck? I forgot. Okay, I'll get to it soon, but I really think that I'm going to, I think I'm gonna cut my hair off. I really do. Like, I'm gonna get a blowout. There's this lady, I found her in Hollywood, and she does blowouts. Oh my gosh, I'm getting one. And because I want to do like a length check, so I want to do a blowout. Then I'm gonna cut my hair. Expired? Bruh. Ew. And I think it's okay. I'm gonna take that. Oh, this is gonna be everywhere. I don't know why I'm looking at my viewfinder for a reference when I have my mirror right in front of me. And I hope the audio is not bad. I don't have a mic or anything. I'm just, you know, winging it. low-key, I feel like this the hair color, I feel like when I put it on my hair, it makes my hair curly. Like, what is in this? Like, I could legit do a wash and go with this. I wonder if it's I can't talk. I wonder if it's like made for wash and goes. That's interesting. All right, one down, a decade to go. So we're gonna start this Q&A when I get to the front of my hair, when I'm close to done, because it's gonna take a while. All right, BRB. Okay, so I have finished the back of my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the front, and while I do the front, I am going to answer some questions. So let's get it going. And where do you like to go eat? Ooh, where do you like to go when you eat out? Well, I love seafood, and I also love soul food. So there's this place in Long Beach called Louisiana Charlie's. It's some soul food. It's fire. Like, oh my gosh. They have the best yams and macaroni and cheese. Well, my mom's is the best. Let's start there. But normally, I feel like when you go to soul food places, their macaroni and cheese do not be good, and their yams half the time. So I feel like, ooh, natural hair problems. So I feel like for them to be like be a restaurant. It's not even like a little joint, it's a restaurant. That shit's on point. Like, I'm thinking about going to get a little side order of the macaroni and cheese and the yams by itself. That's how good it is. But I also like the Crab Shack, where you can get some crab legs and stuff. Woo. Okay, next question. Do you like to cook? I do like to cook. I feel like I like it more though if I knew how to make more stuff. Like, I know how to make, I know how to make some stuff, but I want to learn how to make more. I actually want to take cooking and baking classes, so that's actually like a goal of mine, is to take cooking and baking classes, because I do want to get married one day. And not saying that I need to learn how to cook for a man. I need to learn how to cook just so, for my own self, so I know how to do that. But I'm just saying, when I do get married, I do want to throw it down in the kitchen, I do. I want to throw it down in the kitchen, baking wise and meal wise. So that's a goal of mine, is to take cooking classes, not for when I get married, but just in general, so I can know how to, cook for myself. But yeah, I like to cook. It's cool or whatever. Next question. Okay, could you live without the internet? If I was on an island with some books, some great food, and some music, I could, and a good looking man, I could definitely live without the internet. For sure. Definitely could do that. Most memorable birthday. I definitely have to say, when I was in college at UCLA, I believe it was my freshman year, when I had a whole bunch of friends we are no longer friends, the majority of them. But I had rented a party bus. Well, my mom got me a party bus, and we all like, she decorated it and had cupcakes and balloons and a whole bunch of alcohol in there, even though I was under 21. But my mom's cool like that. But my dog is sneezing, if you can hear that. But back to what I was saying. Yeah, she had decorated the party bus, and we went to the club, and that was fun. That was lit. It had a stripper pole in the inside. It was real fun. Okay, next question. What would your perfect day be like? My perfect day, I'd probably, that'd probably be a spa day. I love going to the spa. Like, I wish I could go more often, but it would definitely be a spa day where I get a nice massage. I can get in the jacuzzi. I love the jacuzzi. And I can get a manicure and pedicure. I could just relax, that would be the perfect day. I'm just spending it with myself, like not even going with nobody, just by myself. When are you happiest? I'm happiest when I am alone, like right now. Like, I love being by myself. I really do. Like, I just feel like I feel the happiest, like really. Like, it's really gonna take a lot for somebody to come into my life and change that, because I genuinely enjoy being by myself. But yeah, when I'm by myself, when I'm doing my makeup, I'm the happiest. When my hair is done and I'm doing my makeup, that's when I'm the happiest. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing. Okay. But yeah, that's when I'm the happiest, and when I'm eating really good food, and when I'm traveling. I want to travel more, and I want to post it on my channel. Like, and when I'm making money, like, that's when I'm the happiest. All of those combined. Best comedy. Wow, I cannot read. What's the best comedy movie you've ever seen? Ooh, that's hard. I like comedies. I don't know. Y'all probably gonna hate me for saying this, but I love Medea movies or Tyler Perry movies. I love his movies. They're like so good. I know a lot of people hate his movies, but I don't. But that was not even the question. What's the best comedy movie? I don't know. I can't think of it. I'm gonna think of something. If I remember it, I'll say it. White Chicks was funny, but I feel like that's basic. What's your favorite song and why this particular one? I don't know if you guys have ever heard this song, but right now my favorite song will have to be Honestly by Pink Sweats. That shit, oh my god, it's angelic. So angelic. Or anything by Jhené Aiko. That's one of my favorite artists, period. Pisces Gang. Oh, I'm such a hate ass. But yeah, Pink Sweats, Honesty, that's it. Go listen to it if you have not, please. It's amazing. Let's see what's next. What's been the best concert you've attended? Definitely the Jhené Aiko concert that I went to like 2 years ago. I will never ever forget that concert. When I tell you she sounds 1,000 times better in person, oh my gosh. Like, you wouldn't even believe it. Like, I was in the zone when I was there. Like, it was like nobody else was around me. I was just there, like, with her singing, just listening. Like, it was crazy. The best concert ever. The Millennium Tour was cool too. That brought back a lot of memories. So that shit was cool. But definitely, hands down, Jhené Aiko. What is the best thing that happened to you during the past week that I'm working? I work at the ports, so, and I make really good money, honestly, working down there. So the more I can, and it's not like a regular job, that's why I'm happy that I'm working more, because the more I work, the more money that I'm making. Because lately it's been slow because of the whole tariff situation. That really affects my job, so I'm happy about that. What is your favorite meal of the day? My favorite meal of the day definitely is dinner or lunch. I hate breakfast. I hate breakfast food with a passion. When I say I hate breakfast, I mean that from the bottom of my soul. I hate it. I don't know why. I just do not like breakfast. What do you do for a living? Well, I'm not where I want to be at right now. But I work at the ports. Like I said, I am a casual longshoreman. And if you don't know what that is, just go ahead and look it up. But yeah, I work at the ports. But eventually I do want to own my own businesses with an S on the end, multiple. You can't only just have one source of income. You always gotta have multiple. So I definitely want to own more than one. One is going to be a dental business that I'm actually, you know, working on right now. Then the next, I want it to be beauty related or fitness related, because I am starting to get more into that. What is the first thing you notice about a person? I notice their teeth. Yeah. I notice people's teeth and just their hygiene. If your fingernails are dirty or clean, your teeth, like just your outer appearance, I noticed that. So I will be giving you guys, I will be leaving these in overnight, letting them dry, and I'll give you guys, you know, the final results tomorrow. This is the final, you know, finished product.